Shooby dooby.
My mom always goes, shooby dooby, scooby wooby.
Why?
I don't know, that's what she does when she wants to get down.
It's a party in my pants, guys. Who's outside? Oh, shit. Should I tell him that there's a party? I like your dog. Hi. Aww.
It's bugging my shirt. Is there a bug in your shirt?
No.
Are you sure?
Ooh.